Hello, today let's talk about SpaceX's recent achievements and future plans. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What has SpaceX done recently?
On October 13th, 2024, SpaceX successfully conducted the fifth test flight of its Starship rocket. For the first time, they caught the returning booster using mechanical arms on the launch tower.
Why is catching the booster important?
Catching the booster allows SpaceX to reuse it, which reduces costs and makes space travel more affordable.
What is Starship?
Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed by SpaceX for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It consists of two parts, the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft.
What are SpaceX's future plans with Starship?
SpaceX plans to send 5 uncrewed Starship missions to Mars within the next 2 years. If successful, they aim to launch crewed missions to Mars in 4 to 6 years.
Are there any challenges with these plans?
Yes, there are significant engineering and regulatory challenges. Experts believe the timeline is optimistic due to the complexity of the technology and the need for regulatory approvals.
How is SpaceX addressing these challenges?
SpaceX is conducting rigorous testing and working closely with regulatory agencies to ensure safety and compliance. They are also investing in new technologies to overcome engineering hurdles.
What other projects is SpaceX working on?
SpaceX is collaborating with NASA on the Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon. They are also expanding their Starlink satellite network to provide global internet coverage.
How does Starlink work?
Starlink consists of thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit that communicate with ground stations to deliver high-speed internet to users worldwide.
Is Starlink available everywhere?
Starlink is expanding its coverage and is available in many countries, with plans to reach more regions soon.
How can people use Starlink?
Users can purchase a Starlink kit, which includes a satellite dish and modem, to connect to the internet via the Starlink network.
What are the benefits of Starlink?
Starlink provides high-speed internet access to remote and underserved areas, bridging the digital divide.
Are there any concerns about Starlink?
Some concerns include space debris and the impact on astronomical observations. SpaceX is working to address these issues.
How is SpaceX addressing space debris?
SpaceX designs its satellites to burn up upon re-entry and is developing technologies to reduce the risk of collisions in space.
What is SpaceX's ultimate goal?
SpaceX aims to make space travel more accessible and to enable human life on other planets, starting with Mars.
How can people stay updated on SpaceX's progress?
You can follow SpaceX's official website and social media channels for the latest news and updates.
Thank you for explaining. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome. It's exciting to see how SpaceX is advancing space exploration. Keep following their journey.